Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel InfoRosan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the virtual internship opportunity provided by the IBM in collaboration with the AICT, that is the All India Council for Technical Education. And friend, anyone can apply for this virtual internship opportunity, whether you are the college going student, freshers or the working professionals who want to increase their knowledge. So friend, please watch the video complete. And friend, you can see we are at the official page of National Internship Portal, and here you can see the internship description is given. That is the EduNet Foundation IBM Skill Build 4-week internship on AI, that is artificial intelligence, and IBM Cloud Technologies. So, friend, this is for the June 2025, and one of the important thing you can see here, that is duration is the 6 weeks. You can see it will be approximate 4 to 6 weeks, and you can see you have to apply before 3rd July 2025. So please make a note of it. And friend, one of the important thing here you can see after the completion you will get the certificate. So this is the sample certificate which you will get once you complete the internship. And this certificate you can show in your LinkedIn and in your resume also. So talking about the program, you can see here this program will start from the July 10th, and this is your opportunity to have a deep dive into the practical skills required to succeed. And friend, in this internship opportunity, you will demonstrate that skills which increase your chances for the employability and your confidence in the subject area. And you can see here through hands-on projects and industry-aligned skills in AI and machine learning and cloud computing are developed. And the main focus of the program is to prepare students for the job market and access to industry cloud services and connect them with the professional mentors to enrich the internship journey. And you can see here the various types of perks which you will get here, that you can access to IBM own industry courseware and software access to free cloud based services, and you can learn resources for the cloud based experiment, and you can see you will also learn the cutting edge emerging technologies which are in high demand in the job market, and you can collaborate with peers or the group projects and share your resources and collectively work on cloud based application, and you can earn professionally and globally recognized badges and the certification to enhance employability. The certificate I have shown in the starting of the video you have seen. That was the sample certificate. Talking about the eligibility criteria, means who can apply here. You can see you are from any specialization or you are available for approximate 6 weeks and you have relevant skills and interest. You can see here the some degrees are given which are eligible, like pursuing technical education like Bachelor of Engineering, that is a B, or Bachelor of Technology, that is a B Tech. Then you can see BCA, MCA expert, vocational IDI, Diploma Mechanical and Civil disciplines are Computer Science, Information Technology, Electronics and Allied the program. And these are the branches which are eligible for this intensive opportunity, and students from the pre-final and final year of their college, you can see, can apply. And you require an email ID for registration on IBM Cloud, access to PC or laptop with OS installed for hands-on project. So friend, you can see the requirement things are like a email ID, and then you should have a laptop or PC access because you have to run some software on which you will work on your projects, and you should have a very basic knowledge of Python and AI or machine learning. And one of the important thing you can see here, the number of opening you can see, which is around 4,000 you can see. So it is a very huge number, and for your chances for selection will be here more because the number of opening is more here. And friend, before going to check the how you will do the registration, if you are not subscribed our channel information yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs and internship and technology related videos. So please subscribe information. It will help us to create a more and more content for you. So open the link which I have provided in the description box, then you will come to this page. And here you have to first register yourself by clicking on this apply now. You have to select this captcha and you have to click on this apply now. Then this type of page will appear. So if you are already registered, then you can directly log in. If not, then you have to first register yourself. So you can select the student, and here you can see the your college, that is a AICT affiliated or not. Then here you have to provide your name. There's some details like your first name, last name. Then regarding your this is the government of India website, so you should also have to enter here Aadhaar number and your email ID here, and you have to select the all the necessary field which are marked with the red, you can see. And after filling all the information, you have to first review it that all the details are provided correct or not. And once you review, then you have to click on this register. And then once you register, friend, then you can apply for this internship. And if you have any query regarding this internship opportunity, please comment on the video. We are definitely review your comments and provide the answers. And friend, please subscribe Info Rosan. Thank you.